Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your investment returns with Realty Trac, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Realty Trac is and how it functions. Realty Trac is a platform that provides access to property data, including foreclosure listings, auction information, and real estate trends. Begin by creating an account on the Realty Trac website. Visit the Realty Trac homepage and click on the Sign Up or Create Account option. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. Use the search bar to find properties in your area or any specific location of interest. Filter search results based on criteria such as property type, price range, and foreclosures. Once you have identified potential properties, examine the details provided. Pay close attention to the estimated market value and any available history on the property. Next, assess the current market trends in the area using the data available on Realty Trac. Take note of recent sales, average price per square foot, and neighborhood statistics. Consider the condition of the property and any necessary repairs or renovations. Conduct a comparative market analysis to see how similar properties are performing. Once you have gathered sufficient data, start calculating your potential return on investment. Consider all costs involved, including purchase price, closing costs, and renovation expenses. Evaluate financing options, such as loans or investment partners, if needed. If you decide to proceed with a property, make an offer based on your research. Stay prepared for negotiations and be ready to adjust your offer if necessary. After successfully acquiring a property, focus on enhancing its value. Make planned renovations or improvements to increase its market appeal. Once improvements are complete, reassess the property's value to measure your return on investment. Consider listing the property for sale or exploring rental opportunities. Continue to monitor market trends and property values post-investment. Use insights from Realty Trac for future investment strategies and property acquisitions. Regularly review your investment portfolio to assess performance and adjust your approach as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.